Liesl for Money Done Right, and today I'm here to talk to you about the 7 best passive income ideas you've probably never even heard of. So, what exactly is passive income? Well, our friends at Wikipedia define it as income resulting from cash flow received on a regular basis requiring minimal to no effort by the recipient to maintain it. Oh yes, me like you very much. So, in order to help you build your massive passive income empire, in this video, I'm going to touch upon 7 of the best ways to earn passive income. But over at Money Done Right, we've done the hard work for you and created a ginormous mega list of 31 of the best darn passive income ideas you probably never even heard of. So make darn sure you check it out for all sorts of juicy monetary strokes of genius by clicking the link below. Oh, after you watch this video featuring 7 of the best of those 31, of course. All right, let's get right to it. We've got money to make, don't you know? Okay, number 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. All right, here's the God's honest truth. We love dividends here at Money Done Right. When you invest in a dividend-paying stock, you're acquiring a portion of a company that somebody else built and that thousands of other people work for. And amazingly, they're giving you a portion of their profits. Mind blown. There are plenty of great places to open up a stock investing account, but the one that's getting our hearts to go all pitter-patter right now is an app called Acorns. Such a cute name. Acorns is fantabulous because it has an incredible, easy-to-use platform, and it does all the work for you. And I mean all the work. All you gotta do is tell Acorns your age and financial goals, and it develops a custom portfolio for you based on empirical data, not on the latest hot stock tip that may or may not pan out for the long term. And regardless of whether the stock market goes up or down, you still get dividends deposited into your Acorns account every quarter. You also, at no charge to you, get money deposited into your dividend stocks simply for shopping with brands through the Acorns app. That's pretty cool. Like, for example, last week, I took an Uber, and just for doing so, I got 50 cents deposited into my Acorns account, doing nothing. Money went in. Plus, if you click the link below and use the Acorns link you find there, you'll receive a sweet sign-up bonus care of little us when you create your account. Number 2, get paid to have an app on your phone. Okay, so you have a phone and you already have apps on it, right? Well, guess what? There's actually an app that will pay you just for having it on your phone. It doesn't get much more passive than that. You're already doing this and not getting paid. You got a lot of apps, right? So get on this ASAP and you'll get paid $50 per year per device just for having it on there. It's called the Nielsen app, and all you have to do is download it to a registered device. It's totally non-invasive and won't impact performance. And after you've installed it, get rewarded for using the internet just like you've been doing. Now, if you'd like to find out more about this fabulous little app, click the friendly little link below. Number 3, get paid to walk. Okay, so if you're one of our dedicated Money Done Right viewers, we love you. Then you've already seen one of our, may I just go ahead and say, other pretty darn cool videos starring a very familiar face about the awesome Sweatcoin app. So if that's you and I'm me, then you'll already know that I love Sweatcoin. It's an app that'll pay you for every outdoor step you take. Sweatcoin motivates me to go for more runs, take the stairs more often, and be an all-around more active person. And it can do the exact same for you. So click the link below to download Sweatcoin and start getting paid to walk. Oh, and make sure you check out our Sweatcoin video review, starring me, at the link below. Man, we're just chock full of super fly clickable links today, so click while the clicking's hot. Number 4, invest in private real estate deals with only $500. Real estate is one of the most classic, old school forms of passive income. You own property and others pay you for using it. The downside to traditional real estate is that you typically need a lot of cash to get started. But now, with the rise of private real estate investing platforms like Fundrise, you too could be a real estate mogul of sorts. Fundrise allows you to invest in top real estate deals across the nation, way better deals than you or I could find on our own, seriously. It also lets you diversify your real estate holdings by investing in deals in multiple states. And during the first 90 days of your investment, Fundrise will buy it back. What? At the original amount you paid for it if for any reason you are not satisfied. So click the link below to find out more about the fabulous Fundrise. Number 5, get paid to get gas. All right, we're more than halfway through these 7 awesome ways to make passive income. And just as a reminder, even though I'm only covering the 7 ways in this video, you can read all about a whopping 31 different ways to make passive income on the Money Done Right blog. So make sure you click that link below at the end of this video to learn all about them. So, number 5 is our old pal Get Upside, which, by the way, we also have an in-depth review for you to check out at, you guessed it, the link below. Get Upside is a free app that gives you cash back for every gas station receipt you submit. And if you sign up through our link, you'll receive a sign-up bonus when you create your account. Cha-ching! If you're a commuter, this can definitely add up to a decent chunk of change. So click the, let's all say it together, link below to download Get Upside and get a 20-cent per gallon bonus for using our link. It's pretty sweet. Okay, number 6. Aw, so sad. We're almost done. Number 6 is get paid to go to stores. Did you know there's an app that gives you gift cards simply by walking into stores? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is. You don't even have to buy anything. Pretty rad. Am I right? Am I right? All right, you know it. So whether you're a mall rat or you just go shopping every now and then, both versions of you are gonna make some extra cash this way. The app is called Shopkick. And guess what? We've also done a really great detailed review video about it, which you can view at the link below. Also, at your old pal link below, you can click to download this very cool app and start getting paid just for walking into stores. Pretty freaking cool. And finally, number 7, lend money in $25 increments, earning 4 to 6%. So here at Money Done Right, we know that lending money is one of the oldest and bestest ways to earn passive income. You're essentially renting out your money, and the rent you charge is known as the interest rate. So in the past, if you wanted to lend money, you were taking on risk unless the borrower put up some form of collateral. But now, thanks to the wonderful world of technology, you can mitigate that risk by only lending your money in $25 increments via our friends at Lending Club. Fascinating, you say. How does this work? I'm so glad you asked. Okay, let's say Babs, the borrower, needs a $25,000 loan. That's a lot. But instead of going to one entity like a bank to borrow the full $25,000, which would be very risky for that one entity, Babs borrows $25 from 1,000 people. See where I'm going? This scenario presents much less risk because the most any single investor could lose is only $25. This sort of arrangement would have been administratively impossible just 15 years ago. But thanks to the wonders of the internet, and it is wondrous, isn't it? It brought you and me together. Oh, you guys. Anyways, this arrangement is now possible, and the peer-to-peer lending industry, as it's known, is thriving for both Babs and investors. If all this piques your interest, click the duck below. All right, click the link below. I just want to see if you're still paying attention to find out more about earning way more interest via Lending Club than any bank will ever pay you. So that's it, the 7 best passive income ideas you probably never even heard of. But now you have heard of them, and knowing's half the battle. Now remember, this video is just the tip of the iceberg because over at Money Done Right, you can find out about 31 awesome ways to earn passive income. So what are you waiting for? Click that ice cream sundae below, yum, to find out all about them and start building your gloriously lazy financial empire. But before I go, have you tried any of these ways, or do you have any questions? If so, you know what to do. Let us know in the comments section below. We want to hear from you guys. Oh, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Money Done right here on the YouTube, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video that'll help you save and earn money. Thanks for watching, you guys. Now, you're gonna want to go click the platypuses below and start being a passive mogul. Yeah, but you know, you could also click the flowers, or you could click the hamburgers, or you could click the pizzas or the candy bars. I'm a little hungry. I think I'm gonna go eat something.